Independence Day speech in English. Don't ask the world what our identity is. Our pride is simply this, that we are Indians. Respected chief guest, honorable teachers, and my fellow citizens, a very happy and proud Independence Day to all of you. Friends, today is the 15th of August. This is not just a random date on a calendar. This date is a living proof of that ultimate courage when the chains of slavery were shattered and a new history was written. The freedom we enjoy today, the liberty with which we express ourselves, did not come for free. Behind this open air, lakhs of mothers lost their sons and thousands of heroes smiled as they embraced the gallows. Whenever we talk about our brave soldiers standing guard at the borders, our hearts swell with immense pride. To anyone who asked what this country has done for them, I want to tell them, try standing in the freezing snow of the borders just for a day. Try burning yourself in the scorching heat of the desert sands. To know how this tricolor is protected, my friend, look straight into the eyes of the brave soldiers guarding our land. Today, India is changing. Today, we are not just a free nation. We are the fastest growing superpower in the world. Whether is the playground of sports, the historic achievements of ISRO in space, the booming IT sector, or the revolution of digital India, our country is marching rapidly from a developing nation to a fully developed superpower. But what is true independence? True freedom will only be achieved when every youth is self-reliant and when poverty and ignorance are completely wiped out from our society. The youth of today possess the energy and the fire that can lead India to become the world leader once again. However, in this race for modern progress, there is one crucial thing I want to highlight in the name of modernization. Some people are blindly chasing Western culture and forgetting their own roots. To them, I must say, in the pursuit of progress, do not lose the dignity of our culture. Do not chase the glitter of the West and lose the fragrance of your own soil. Our culture, our language, and our core values are our true identity across the globe. We must modernize, but we must keep our foundational roots deeply anchored. My fellow citizens, on this auspicious day, let us take a place. Let's place that through our small daily efforts and hard work, we will make this nation stronger. We will work in a way that does not just uplift us individually, but makes the name of India shine bright across this entire world. Before I conclude, I want to leave you with these legendary words. The ship that fears the waves can never cross the ocean, and those who keep trying their efforts are never in vain. Let's all shout together with absolute pride. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.